out geocaching at the Arboretum today, and I had to climb a cliff. I forged a river. I was entangled by a thorn bush, and I found every geocache that I sought. So I'm feeling pretty proud of myself. So I was having so much fun doing my geocaching that I left my keys in the woods. And so now I'm sitting here in the Arboretum, charging my phone with the office girl's phone charger, waiting for a tow truck to come let me in to my car. And then I'm going to have to come back tomorrow and retrace all of my steps in the woods looking for my keys. So my friend Angela picked me up from the Arboretum. I had to get a guy come out to open the door so I could get my bag out of the car. And then I just had to abandon my car and my car keys, which are still in the woods. And I am going back early tomorrow morning to go walking through the woods of the Arboretum, which covers 4 miles of territory, to find my keys. I'm just hoping someone else finds them and I'll be able to pick them up whenever I get there. So, at least I'm home. My cats don't even know what happened to me today, and I'm thankful. Okay, and then there's this other little card that was not dated, but it says, "Dearest Courtney, miss you lots. Thought of you and your fur babies. Thought of you and your fur babies. So I had to splurge. Let me know if they like it." She gave me some cat grass. They love this stuff. I can't wait to share with them. And then she also gave me a new coffee cup. There's a little kitty cat on it. It says, "Roar." Yeah, roar. So needless to say, coming home to that present after a long and grueling adventure of losing my car keys in the woods and not having reconciliation yet was a gift. And it made me feel excited. I feel loved on. And I have hope that I'm going to find my keys tomorrow.